Hello YouTube, it's PRC5060 and this is a collection video update on my 1/400 scale model aircrafts. I was going to do all of them, but I really just cut my arse. Just do all the 1/400 scale, not the 1/500 and 1/200s. Start off with, which to show you the ones I'm currently in process of fixing back, is my United 737-300 in old livery. The wing to come off, which is there. And an Aeroflot A321, which is wheels missing. I need to find the wheel. Yeah, I'm not paying good care of my model planes at the moment. So we'll start off with the biggest planes to the smallest ones. So first we've got here a 747-400 British Airways, Kingfisher A340-500, British Airways 787-800, the first British Airways 787 by Gemini Jets back in 2011-12, I think it was. Yeah. Got a United 747-400, Emirates A340-500, Thomson Airways 874. Oh, why keep saying 4? 787-8, which is 800. Corsair 747-300, Air Greenland A330-200, Delta 767-300. PIA, which is Pakistan International, 777-200. Virgin Atlantic A330-200. Condor 767-200 by I use as Thomas Cook at my airport. Vietnam 777-200. Omni Air International 777-200. A Qantas Freight 767-300. Now, I know this is not a proper model, but because I like it so much, it's a 767-200 toy plane which I got from my flight home from Rose to Glasgow back in 2011. We've got British Airways 777-200, Cubana IL-96, which is quite nice, American 757-200 in old livery, Air 2000 757-200. I use it as as his flight. It's actually owned by Fly UK, which is a made-up airline I did, and it's operating at the moment for Thomas Cook as a low-cost seasonal flight at the moment. Allegiant 757-200 is doing flights from JFK to my model airport in London. Jet2 757-200. I do plan to get some more of these at some point when I find them cheap on eBay or another website. Monarch A330-600, TMA Cargo, TMA Cargo, 707-200 I think it is, yeah. Icelandair 757-300 without the winglets. Wait, did I say it out? So, yeah, sorry, I made a mistake. This is a 767-200, not a 757-200. I got mixed up. This is the American 757-200. And we got an Open Skies, which is owned by British Airways, 757-200. And down here we got a Dash 8 or Q400, Olympic Air. Aer Lingus ATR 72. A Fokker 50, which is actually Team Lufthansa, but I use it as CityJet. It's an aircraft owned by Fly UK, but leased out to CityJet. Brussels Avro BAE 146. I got some names. I was called the BAE Avro RJ 146. We've got a Flybe Sub 340, which is a Suckling, I think it is. Or is it Logan? I think it's Logan Air. Yeah. British Airways Shorts 360. Moving half my things here. British Airways, another BAE 146. I'm making out it's owned by Fly UK but leased out to British Airways, operating for British Airways. Done that. We've got KLM 737-300, a TNT 737-300, using it as passenger and cargo. British Airways 737-400. Thomson Airways 737-800. Embraer 170. British Airways, a British Airways City Flyer. British Airways A319, if it's 100. Excuse me. What else we got? We've got a Rossia A319, I think it's pronounced as Rossia. And the last one, British Airways, not British Airways, Monarch A320, 200. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll be doing more model plane reviews very soon. See you later.